Hi guys, I'll stand by you. The song was, I guess, originally sung by the Pretenders, but we're going to use Gleecast version for our lesson because it's a little bit lower in key than the Pretenders version. Oh, why you look so sad? The tears are in your eyes. Come on and come to me now. Don't be ashamed to cry. Let me see you through. 'Cause I've seen the dark side too. When the night falls on you, you don't know what to do. Okay, well, we have to cut it short. We cannot cover it for more than 50 seconds or else we will have a copyright issue. So our picking pattern is bass, first and second string, and then third, back to first and second string without the bass, and then third. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the intro, A, 1 measure, 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then D, just pinch once, okay? Now for the first line of the first verse. Oh, why you look so sad? The tears are in your eyes. Come on and come to me now. For A, 1.5 measures, so 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bass, first and second string again, and then third, and then F sharp minor, half measures, 2 beats only. So 6 string, first and second string for F sharp minor, and then third, and then immediately transit to C sharp minor, 2 measures. Why you look so sad? The tears are in your eyes. For D, 2 measures also. Come on and come to F sharp minor again, 1 measure. E, 1 measure. Okay, so that's for our first and second lines of the verse 1. For third and fourth lines is the same chord, same picking. Don't be ashamed to cry. Let me see you through. 'Cause I've seen the dark side too. When the night falls on you, you don't know what to do. Nothing you confess could make me love you less. So we go back to the fifth and sixth line of the first verse. When the night, C sharp minor, 1 measure, falls on you, F sharp minor, 1 measure, back to C minor, C sharp minor, 1 measure. You don't know what to do. F sharp minor, 1 measure again. Nothing you confess, and then D, 2 measures. Can make me love you less. E, 2 measures. So for D, 8, and for E, 8. Okay. Now we go to the chorus 1. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Actually, you can pick and strum the chorus. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Okay, so if you want to pick and strum, pick first the bass, first and second string, and then down, up, down. So, okay. Now for the I'll stand by you. A 1.5 measure again. So, and then A / G sharp. The bass will be the six string 4th fret. Okay, and then 3rd. So two beats only, and then F sharp minor, 2 measures. Very hard. You G 2 measures. I'll stand by you. A 1 measure, and then C half measure. Okay, so for C, and then 3rd, and then D. So after the chorus, we go to the second verse. Same picking, if you want to pick, or same strum. So, if you might get mad, don't hold on inside. Come on and come to me now. Hey, what you got to hide? I get angry too. Well, I'm a lot like you. When you're standing at the crossroads, I don't know which path to choose. Let me come along, 'cause even if you're wrong, I'll stand by you. After chorus 2, so same picking for chorus 2. So no need to explain it. For just remember, for 2 measures, 8 beats for 1 measure, 4 beats, half measure, 2 beats. Okay. Okay, so we go to chorus 2. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Take me into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. And then instrumental. And I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. So for chorus 2, same picking. Anyway, you will have your chords. So for the instrumental is F sharp minor, 2 measures. Okay, so 8. For G, 2 measures. Back to F sharp minor, 2 measures. 1 measure this time. And then E, 2 measures. And when the night falls on you, baby, you're feeling all alone, you won't be on your own. And then we repeat chorus 2. Okay, I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Take me into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. never deserve you. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Okay, so well, I guess no need to explain anymore. Just for two measures, 8 beats, one measure, 4 beats, half measure, 2 beats. Okay? So, well, I guess our next lesson may be Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay? We'll look for an easier version. Okay? We will simplify it. So, goodbye guys. See you next time. Enjoy your last 3 days of 2022. Happy New Year to all.